Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Fashionable. I hope everyone is too good and pretty fine. Today video is all about stylish pumps for girls. One of the most elegant and versatile footwear choice for women. Pumps never go out of style, and whether you are dressing for work, a party, or just a casual outing, there's always a perfect pair waiting for you. Let's explore different designs, color, and ways to style pumps. Pumps are classic shoes that every girl should have in her wardrobe. They come in various heel, height, materials, and shades, making them suitable for almost any occasions. From low block heel for comfort to sky high stiletto for glamorous pumps instantly and sophisticated to your look. One of the most popular choice in nude pumps, they elegant, they leg and can be paired with almost any outfit from jeans to from casual and formal dresses. Beige tan and blush shade are perfect for both office wear and evening events. No wardrobe is complete without a pair of black pumps. They are timeless chic and can take you from day to night effortlessly. Pair them with a little black dress from formal trousers, or even skinny jeans, and you are ready to shine. And remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself. The right pair of pumps can completely transform your outfit. Do not be afraid to try new color, texture, and heel styles. Keep experimenting until you find the pumps that match your vibe. Stay fashionable and keep shining with confidence every step you take. For girls who love making a statement, bright color pumps are a must have thing of red, royal blue, emerald green, or even mustard yellow. These pumps can turn a simple outfit into a showstopper, especially when matched with handbags or accessories. If you are into pattern, pumps also come in animal pattern, floral, stripe, and polka dot. Texture fabric like velvet, sinew, and satin also bring luxury vibe to your outfit. They are playful, stylish, and perfect for parties or fashion forward events. For the office and professional look, block heel or kitten heel pumps are ideal. They are comfortable to wear all day and still giving you that polished boss lady appearance. Neutral shades like black, brown, beige, and navy are perfect for corporate setting. When it's time to party, pumps with metallic finishes, glitter, rhinestone, or glossy pattern leather are perfect. They instantly add glam and pair beautifully with gowns, cocktail dress, and even trendy jumpsuit. For casual outing, OPT for low heels or flat pumps, they give you style with comfort and go great with skirt, casual dress, and denim. Pastel shade and soft fabric make them even more versatile for day-to-day wear. Match your pumps with the handbags or belt for a coordinate look. Use nude pumps to make your legs for longer. Choose bold pumps to add a pop of color to neutral outfit. Always pick the right heel height for your comfort and occasions. So whether you love classic blacks, chic nude, bold, bright, or sparkling party pumps, there's always a pair that match your personality and moods. Stylish pumps are not just shoes, they are a confidence booster, style statement, and wardrobe instant. Thank you for watching this video on stylish pump for girls. If you enjoy it, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fashion inspiration. See you in the next video. Stay stylish, stay confident. Bye.